Inspired to ng Matcha Burnt Past Cheesecake na collaboration ng The Matcha Tokyo at ng Elborn. At dahil mahilig naman ako sa matcha, naisip kong gumawa ng version ko. Kailangan lang ng 2 8 ounces ng cream cheese, pwede sa mixer, blender, or even food processor. Yung cream cheese kasi na ginamit ko matagal nang stuck sa chiller kaya nag-curdle na siya. Kaya ginamitan ko na lang ng food processor para maging smooth ulit yung cream cheese. And pang maganda na ulit yung texture niya, add 300 grams of vanilla flavored yogurt and half cup of sugar. Mix then add matcha powder. About 3 to 5 teaspoons or depende din sa preference nyo. Best to use premium or high quality na matcha powder. Then add 3 whole eggs. And you can add more matcha powder if desired. Then mix until smooth. I'm using a 7-inch pan with parchment paper. Then naglagay lang ako ng crushed Oreo cookies para sa crust. Tapos transfer ko na yung cheesecake batter. Then bake in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 30 to 45 minutes or until maging literal na sunog yung ibabaw ng cheesecake. Then pag okay na, transfer your baked cheesecake on a cooling rack. Let it cool completely before ipasok sa ref para mag-set. And after a few hours, you can now finally enjoy your matcha burnt past cheesecake.